I think you're ready to roll. Life is sweet. Well, what's up guys? Welcome back to today's video and welcome to my living room. Today, you guys, we are just hanging out. Imagine that I called you and was like, oh my God, come over ASAP. I've got something to tell you. Today, guys, I'm going to share with you my $3,500, yes, you heard that right, $3,500 skincare wish list. You guys know here on my channel, I try so many different skincare products, but believe it or not, there's actually so much more skincare products out there that I'm dying to try. Now, some of these products are honestly just way out of my budget. Some of them are literally $1,000. Can you believe that? $1,000. So either these products are way too expensive or I just haven't gotten around to trying them yet. Either way, this is me putting it out to the universe that these are products I'm dying to try. These are products I'm dying to get my hands on. So I'm just like, hello universe, hook me up. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe down below and hit that bell notification and give the video a big thumbs up. If you haven't talked to me in the comments down below, definitely talk to me down there. I reply to every single comment, you guys. I'm loving meeting you. I'm loving hearing what you have to say because, hello, this channel is growing faster than ever and you guys want to be a part of it while it's still like 5K or less. I feel like this is an exclusive club before we get too big. This is like when you know a secret but you haven't told anyone yet and you're just like, ugh, I just want to hang on to be like the original before everyone gets it. But of course, if you're not new to my channel, welcome back. It's great to see you again. I hope you're having an awesome summer, you guys. The heat out there, it's like a global heat wave. Ugh. So without further ado, let's dive right into today's video, this really juicy $3,500 skincare wish list. You guys, I'm about to share some real gems with you. And make sure you stick around till the end of the video when I'll be sharing with you guys the skincare products I've always been dying to try, but I just haven't yet. Oh, but I want to try them so bad. Let's do it. Okay guys, so I'm so serious about this skincare wish list. I've got a whole list right here. I'm ready to dive in with you guys. I've also got a face mask here because I thought while I sat down to share with you my skincare wish list that I would... Oh my gosh, guys, every time I sit down to film in the living room, I swear my neighbor comes out of their apartment at the exact time. Like they know that I'm filming and it's so embarrassing every time it happens. Anyway, so I figured while we talked about my skincare wish list that I would just go ahead and pamper myself and do a little face mask while we talk all about the products that I am dying to try. So I figured I'd do one of the most bougie face masks I have since we're talking about luxury skincare. So I just pulled out my lace face mask. I've actually done an entire review of this mask. I'll link it down below. So the first product on my skincare wish list is a doozy. And that's Prairie's Cellular Cream Platinum Rare. This face cream is $1,200 at Nordstrom's. $1,200. You could rent a doctor for that price. This cream looks so rich, so luxurious. I mean, look at the bottle. It is a purple diamond. The bottle is glass and it just looks so luxurious. Now, I have heard some mixed reviews about the product inside the glass. You get 1.7 ounces, which is not very much, you guys. And what it is negatively charged platinum powder particles. Negatively charged platinum powder particles. Oh my gosh, so you're actually putting platinum on your skin. Now, I have heard some mixed reviews about this cream. Some people say that platinum really doesn't do anything to your skin. But I mean, putting platinum on your skin, how luxurious is that, you guys? Oh, now this lace face mask. Ooh, it's so juicy, it's so cold. Ooh, this mask is cold, honey. Now, Prairie's Cellular Cream does contain mica, so it's definitely going to make the skin glow and look really hydrated, really luminous. Putting mica in skincare is a really great way to give an illumination effect, especially if you have dry or dull skin. So, I mean, that is a little benefit of the skin cream. However, the only study that I actually found on platinum powder was a study done in worms, but I'm not really sure if it would work the same for human skin. I mean, we're not a worm. Now, this cream also contains resveratrol, which you guys know I love. That is a wonderful anti-aging ingredient found in grapes. That's really going to do some rejuvenation process to the skin. So you guys know I love resveratrol. But this cream just seems so luxurious that I need to try it, you guys. I need to try it. $1,200? I mean, that's just like mind-boggling. What do you guys think about really expensive and luxury skincare? I'm going to put a poll right around here. Would you ever spend $1,200 on a face cream? I need to know. Am I the only one? Now, I'm just going to be totally honest here. I don't know if I'll ever be in a position to spend over $1,000 on a single face cream. 1.7 ounces. That's a little bit shocking to me, but I mean, if the gods are good to me, I'm putting it out there in the universe. I want to try this cream. Now, unless you've been living under the rock with no internet connection or are a total hermit, you will definitely have heard of the SK2 Essence. If you're any kind of skincare buff, you guys know that this is the holy grail in first treatment essences. Now, you get 330 mils of product for $365. That is so expensive. I can't believe that people actually pay these prices. Now, I will say that this is the big bottle, so you can get cheaper bottles for smaller. And I will have my entire wish list linked in the description box down below, so you guys can find all these products, so don't worry about writing them down. Or if you want to learn more information, everything will be linked down below. Now, this first treatment essence is so popular. It is definitely a South Korean viral skincare product. You guys, this recipe has been unchanged for 35 years. It contains ferments. It's really going to open those pores and really help all the products absorb deep into their skin. It does contain 90% of their patented Pitera extract. Now, this is to help promote skin renewal every 28 days, so it's really going to help to slough off that dead skin. It's also full of amazing vitamins, antioxidants. The packaging is totally classic in a beautiful glass frosted bottle. Now, I do have a skincare secret for you guys, a good skincare dupe. I did try the Misha First Treatment Essence, and that's supposed to be a dupe for this product. It's around $50, so it is way cheaper, but apparently they're very similar, and I did love that facial treatment essence, so I wouldn't be surprised if I loved this one too. The thing that I found with the Misha First Treatment Essence is when you applied it to the skin as a toner, it almost removed and sloughed off some dead skin, so it does make sense that this 90% Pitera does promote skin renewal. So kind of when you applied the product to your face, it would moisturize and tone the skin, but it would also lift off that kind of first layer of skin, so every day you were getting kind of micro exfoliation along with extreme hydration. I did love that, so this sounds like a product I would absolutely love. I feel so proper today with all these notes, you guys. All right, next up we're going to talk about the AmorePacific All Day Balancing Care Serum. Now, you guys, I've been dying to try this serum out for so long. I love all of the AmorePacific or AmorePacific products. They're so luxurious, but they are so pricey. This serum, you guys, retails for $200 for 70 mils. I can barely believe it. This serum you can actually get in Sephora, which I think is crazy because offering a $200 serum at a retail level, just kind of in like a Sephora style store, I mean, that is a pricey serum. But if you guys know anything about skincare, you know that AmorePacific is one of those South Korean brands that are so innovative, so amazing. The All Day Care Serum is full of Asian botanicals that last for 24 hours on the skin. So this is going to be 24-hour hydration. The serum also contains white willow birch sap that's going to help to control oiliness as well as give hydration for dry skin. What I love about this serum is that it contains so many different ingredients for so many different skincare problems. I love to find a product that encompasses a bunch of different skincare needs. It's just so much easier than mixing your own products at home. I love it. And I know this is so superficial, but I just love all of the AmorePacific packages, you guys. Everything comes with a pump. Everything looks so sterile, so chic. Everything is white and silver. I just love all of their packaging. I love their brand. I mean, I just need to try this serum. All right, guys, this next one is a big one, and that's Clé de Peau's La Creme that comes in at $795 for 50 mils. 50 mils, $800. My head is spinning, you guys, and I come from Canada, and I'm actually giving you guys the American prices. So in Canadian dollars, this is almost a $5,000 skincare wish list. I can't believe these prices even exist. Now, the amazing thing about Clé de Peau is they're a Japanese beauty company, so all of their products are for brightening, lightening, illuminescence. So in Clé de Peau's La Creme, they have their illuminating complex that contains silk and pearls. Silk and pearls, you guys. Imagine putting silk and pearls on your skin. I mean, the illuminescence of pearl, the feel of silk. I mean, this is a cream I just need to get my hands on. It also says that this cream is the ultimate in age defying. I mean, silk, pearls, age defying. Oh, you don't need to tell me anymore. Like, I'm running to get this cream. This cream also contains rosemary, citrus, a certain form of retinol. I mean, it just sounds so beautiful. And can we even talk about the bottle, you guys? Look how gorgeous this glass container is. I'm such a sucker for a good container, but you guys, I mean, look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, there's just so many products to talk about, you guys. My throat's getting dry. So next up is Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. Now this serum retails for $100 for 50 mils. I know compared to $800, it doesn't seem that much, but it has 50,000 loves on Sephora, and the formula is patented until 2033. This is said to be one of the most powerful nighttime serums. This is all over every beauty blog, every magazine. I mean, if you guys search the top serums, this Estee Lauder serum is in the top of every single search. Honestly, I don't even know why I haven't tried this serum so far, you guys. A couple of years ago, I did try a dupe for this serum. This dupe was from a South Korean company called Misha, and it was said to be almost an identical replica of the original formula. I don't know how they would get away with that, but that's what they claimed. And the dupe is so famous as well. You guys can Google that online. I mean, everyone was talking about it. Yes. Oh, my water spilt everywhere, you guys. Even though the lid was on it. How rude. Honestly, you guys, I just want to give this serum a try because it has 50,000 loves on Sephora. And I mean, if so many people love it, I need to give it a try. Okay guys, now I saved my favorite products for the end, the products that I want to try the most, but I'm going to go ahead and take this face mask off because it's slipping off my face, and honestly, it's kind of hurting my ears. So let's go ahead and take this off while I share with you guys, my all-time favorite skincare wish list. And that is the La Mer products. Now, if you guys don't know, La Mer is made with special sea kelp that's only harvested twice a year. They fulfill all the fantasies of beautiful skincare. I mean, if you just go on their website, the video that plays of the boat in the ocean and all the sea kelp. Now, La Mer's Miracle Broth is the heart of all of their skincare, and that's the giant sea kelp brew. Now, they go so far as saying that their Miracle Broth is energized by copper plates and sun-specific light. This is just like a broth that is infused with life force. Now, the three products that I'm dying to try by La Mer, you guys, is the La Mer Moisturizing Cool Gel Cream, $325 for 60 mils. The La Mer Concentrate, $370 for 30 mils, and the Renewal Oil for $245. Now, you guys, I've been dying to try, like I said, honestly, any of the La Mer skincare products, but these three products in particular, I am just dying to get my hands on. You guys know that I love a good moisturizing gel cream, and as soon as I saw this cooling gel, I knew that I needed to get it. You guys, if anyone has a La Mer hookup, let me know. I need these products so bad. The La Mer Concentrate contains a megadose of their Miracle Broth. I mean, what more could you want? A megadose of their Miracle Broth? I want to use this as like a full body lotion. How much would I die, you guys, to do a full La Mer skincare routine? Honestly, I need to start a GoFundMe page to get a La Mer skincare routine. Now, they say that the concentrate is amazing for damaged skin. So if you have sunburnt, parched skin, if you've gone for a facial, microneedling, they say that the concentrate is the perfect product to use. I'm just going to put a little bit of moisturizer on my skin just to seal in all the serum from the face mask. Now, the last La Mer product, the Renewal Oil, you guys, this actually says in the description, it will elevate your life. This product is going to elevate your life. They say that you can use this oil on your hair, skin, nails. They say that when you go to the nail salon, you can actually take this with you and be all bougie and say like, can you drop some La Mer oil on my nails? How bougie would that be? Imagine using serums and creams that literally cost hundreds and thousands of dollars and then sealing them all on with the La Mer Renewal Oil for $245. I mean, how much more bougie and luxurious could you get? Oh my gosh, you guys. Can you see this? You guys, this is serum. This is face mask serum on my Versace pillows. On my Versace pillows. And that, guys, is a wrap on my $3,500 skincare wish list. I hope you enjoyed coming over and hanging out with me in my Versace pillows. Can you even believe that there's skincare products out there that cost upwards of $1,000, $2,000? I mean, that is just mind-boggling. Like I said, I don't even know if I'm ever going to have the opportunity to try any of these products, but I definitely thought let's put it out there to the universe. Universe, if you're listening. Now, just because a product is a luxury skincare doesn't make it any better or worse than any of the cheaper or drugstore products, any of the Sephora products. I mean, whatever works for you, works for you. But this video was just a little bit of fun to take a look at some of the products that cost literally hundreds and thousands of dollars. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And like always, if you want to hang out with me even more between now and next video, you can watch more right here. And you can subscribe right here. If you made it to the end of this video, you know that I love and appreciate you so much. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.